Hey guys, welcome to AM Dance YouTube channel. Today we're teaching Like Jennie by Jennie. This is a step-by-step tutorial with no music. We will show each move slowly, then with counting. Chapter timeline will be in the description, and you can try with slow music by following our shorts at 60%, 80%, or 100% speed. Let's get started!
Before we start this dance, there are a lot of rows, including the hip rows and the torso rows. So today we are going to talk about all the rows in details. For example, there is a clock. So this is 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. Counterclockwise, we're going to like this way, and then the clockwise going to like this. Okay, for the beginning, the hip, and then we are doing the counterclockwise first. So your hip going to go like this way. So it's from the 12 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and then go to 6 o'clock, and then 3 o'clock. So it's going to like hip rolls. So when you do the hip rolls, your legs go like open, close, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, something like that. And then your hands, your hip doing the rolls for around 8 times. During this time, your hands go to the top on your head for 4 times, and then flip the hand, and the right hand go in, and then switch, and that hand quickly go forward, and then go chest and head. So all of these hands, doing the hands with the hip roll at the same time, together, put them together, so it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hands go over, 6, go 7, 8, up. Okay, please counting one more time. It's a little bit hard to do this part with a slow version. It's faster, sometimes it's easier. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Yes. And then step on right leg forward, hip going to the back to forward. And then change the direction with the hip doing the rolls. Go counterclockwise too for like 4 times. And then body go with the music. This part go leg all the way down. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, 8, and go. 1, 2. 1 big hip roll, and then go, turn, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go, leg. One more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, and the next one, you change your balance to left leg, arms, fix, and then go kick. Down. Yes. So with counting, this part is a little bit hard to count after leg, and the music is dong, and then dong. and then step on your left leg out, the right arm go up, the chest go out, and then switch to the other side, and then your chest roll double times with counterclockwise. Go 7, 8. So now this leg is go left, right, roll, and roll. Okay, and after 2 rolls, and then left arm go to touch your left knee, bend your left knee, and then go other side roll, clockwise, and then touch knee, and the other side of the roll, touch knees, and then other side of the roll, swing hands. Can we start from the beginning with counting? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 动动动动动。5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8.
Great job for finishing this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and let us know about other dances you like to learn in the comment. See you next dance!